understand user management in Jainam software. It is in user management user list. To create a new user, click create and enter the details. The login ID I suggest keep first name dot last name @ your company name. Just click save. The password of this user is going to remain same as the login ID. When user will log in, the password can be modified. You just click close and click on the same user here. Now email address, mobile you can provide. The agent commission is the commission which is decided whenever there is a transaction, that much % commission will be transferred to that agent's saving account or the user saving account. In system you can create staff login for any person who is going to access your system, like admin, operation staff, collection staff, recovery staff, sales executive, agents, Caesar, or any other person. But when you want to create customer login, then the option available is you search a profile which you created in the system, and then there is a button here that is create login. So that option is used to create a login of the customer. Everyone can log in from the same UI, same URL. Coming back to the user list, then assign manager. This is the manager whom this staff is going to report to, and then the default ledger is something that if I set cash, then if this customer or sorry the staff is going to log in for loan repayment receipt, then by default the cash ledger will be displayed there. Using this drop down we can restrict what ledger to be displayed by default to the staff. Then receipt discount and LPI discount, this is used specifically for different purpose. When we are going to freeze the repayment, then how much % the amount can be reduced, that access can be given from here. There is a separate video to explain how to freeze the repayment. Then access print format, if I click here, then you can click on, let's say, a specific format which should be seen by that staff login only. You select here and click update. Then collection is automatically verified. This is used if you click here and the staff has received the collection, then in field collection, in collection report, collection by staff, this amount, whatever amount collected by staff, will be marked as verified automatically. Then in user management, user list, you can grant admin permissions so that all permissions will be given to that user except company level changes. Login only on registered device. If this access is given, then user can only log in from the mobile, which is used for the first time login. Grant superuser permissions, this is only required for deleting the user, so that whoever you have given the access can delete the user and change the password. Day off is used for attendance record system, which is covered in some other video. Now important thing is, if you are following the branch hierarchy, then it is important to set the branch. Select any branch name here, search the branch and give the branch access. You can just click here, whatever branches you want to add, you can add it here and give the access. In case user is no longer in the organization, you can basically click deactivate. And in case you want to change the password of user, you can click set password. When I click on this name, these details will be shown here, but this information is required to flow in the Form 16 and other salary slip related information. This is totally related to the HR management, which is covered in some other video.